Fix Travertine holes fast with Travertino HQ. Follow this quick guide for a smooth, natural-looking repair. Let's get started. Start by cleaning the holes and surrounding area to remove any debris or dust. Mix the powder with clean water to achieve a peanut butter-like consistency for smaller holes or a thicker consistency for larger holes. To match your stone, you can mix light and dark filler colors. Let the mixture activate the minerals for 5 minutes, then remix without adding water. Use a putty knife or wood stick to fill the holes with the Travertino mixture, making sure to overfill the holes slightly. Scrape off any excess Travertino with a putty knife, ensuring the surface is smooth and level with the surrounding tile. Refill any pinholes or empty areas if needed. Allow the mixture to dry. Use a damp sponge or towel to gently wipe away any surface residue. Make sure your sponge or microfiber cloth is just damp, not dripping wet. Then gently wipe the surface. No need to scrub hard. Being too rough can pull out the fill material. If your sponge or towel starts looking dirty, give it a quick rinse or swap it out. Keep wiping gently until the surface looks clean. Remember, avoid applying pressure, as this may lift the mixture out of the filled areas. Use a dry microfiber cloth to finish up with gentle final strokes. Allow the Travertino to fully cure, which usually takes 24 to 48 hours.